Hey everyone, Greg with Collectiv. Wanted to take a minute here and tell you an awesome feature that just got released to Excel, and that is the ability to connect to a Power BI data set. So a feature that we've been waiting for since last year finally has been released, and I just want to show you real quickly how you can do that. So if you open up an Excel document, the first thing you're going to want to do is navigate to the Data tab. And then from that tab, go to Get Data. And then inside of there, you should now see From Power BI. So if I click on that, what that's going to do is that's going to load up all of my Power BI data sets that I have available to me to connect to. And then I can navigate down. I can see their endorsement, whether it's certified or not. I can click on an individual data set I want to connect to in Excel. And then I can see all my measures, all of my different tables that are available to me, so that I can actually start putting them into a pivot table over here on the left and just start analyzing my data in that Excel format. So a really awesome feature that just got released. I'm excited to get started in using it. Hopefully you guys are too. As always, stay tuned to other posts like this from Collectiv, where we're going to continuously be showing you different Power BI updates as they come out.